In this demonstration, we'll show you how to activate a menu product for specific stores or nodes in Unity. To start, go to Organizations in the main menu. Click on Availability Templates. This window allows you to create new availability templates to assign to a product. It also displays all the existing availability templates. To add a new template, click on the plus button. Under Template Details, complete the following fields. List name. This is a compulsory field. Write a description for your template. To add an availability entry to your template details, click on the plus button and complete the following fields. Name for your availability. This is a compulsory field. Select nodes. Choose the nodes where you want to activate the item. Days of the week. Select the days the item should be available. Time period. Select the start and end time for your availability template. Date period. Select the start date and end date for your availability template. Once done, click Submit. You will now link your availability template to your product. To start, go to Products on the main menu. Click on Manage Products. Search the product using the product code or name. Click on the pencil to edit. Click on the POS Configuration tab. Under Product Availability, select and assign the new availability template created for the product. Click on the Profile tab and tick Active to activate the item for the selected nodes. Once done, click Save. That's it. You've successfully created an availability template to activate an item for specific nodes in Unity. For further guidance, please refer to our other tutorials and user documentation.